More than half of Detroit's schools remained closed today, not because of freezing temperatures, but because of a teacher sick out. Teachers are frustrated with what they call deplorable conditions for their students. The Now Detroit's Jane Park joins us live in Northwest Detroit with more on what they're demanding. Jane.
Well, you know, those teachers across the school district called in sick today with the Snyder flu. They say they're sick and tired of being sick and tired. They tell us they had no choice but to take matters into their own hands to have their voices heard.
School! Save our school!
Bundled up and enduring the freezing temperatures, dozens of Detroit public school teachers raised their voices loud and clear, hoping their message would get straight to the governor.
We're sick and tired of being sick and tired.
We want them to compete globally, and they cannot do that when we don't have the proper testing supplies. We don't have the proper textbooks. So we need that, and our parents want that.
A group of teachers dubbing themselves Detroit Teachers Fight Back organized a curbside protest to demand safe learning environments, more resources, and a level playing field for DPS students. They cited large class sizes, lack of classroom supplies, and filthy buildings as reasons for the state to remove emergency manager Darnell Early and restore democracy in the district. Across town, union leaders and civil rights advocates defended the teachers' actions.
And whatever the consequences are, we're going to have to deal with it. But we have to stop bashing teachers. Teachers are in the classroom with students every day. Every day.
The blood is on the hands of the emergency manager and Governor Snyder. He can change this, and they can make a difference, and they need to do it now.
Well, DPS Emergency Manager Darnell Early responded moments ago. He points out that 31,000 students across the district had to miss school today because of the sickouts. He says the only solution will come from collective efforts of all the stakeholders, including teachers, administrators, and parents. He says in the next coming weeks he will be making arrangements to meet with teachers so they can openly discuss their concerns with members of his staff. We're live in Northwest Detroit. Jane Park, the Now Detroit.
All right, thank you, Jane. DPS Emergency Manager Darnell Early says the only way they're going to be able to overcome the shortcomings is with help from the state legislature. But Early says getting support from Lansing gets harder with each teacher sick out.
On to